CVC floor plate system. Pedestal base. Step 1. Prepare the vehicle for conversion. Important. The floor plate must be mounted directly to the van floor. Mounted metal to metal. Prepare the vehicle by opening the side and rear doors fully and clear the van floor. Step 2. Plate placement. Make sure the placement of the floor plate is positioned in a way that its mounting hardware, when drilled and installed, does not interfere with anything underneath the vehicle, such as any electrical, wires, cables, cross members, support beams, frames, or tanks. Although you can place your seat nearly anywhere, the ideal position of the floor plate for the second row is 26 to 29 inches away from the seat in front of it, providing a standard leg room of 11 inches when set at 26 inches. Important: if vehicle has flooring pre-installed, you must cut out the flooring to have the floor plate mounted directly to the van floor. Metal to metal. Step 3. Mark the drill holes. Once the floor plate position is identified, use the floor plate as a template to mark your drill points. For single plates, at least 4 rear drill points and at least 2 front drill points must be used. Step 4. Drill mounting holes. Drill the marked holes using a 1/2 inch drill bit with a 1/2 inch stop guide. Then treat newly drilled holes to prevent corrosion. Step 5. Secure the floor plate to the bare floor. Important: floor plate must be mounted directly to the van floor. Metal to metal. Align the floor plate to the freshly drilled and treated holes, and secure the floor plate with the supplied hardware. From the inside of the vehicle, you will use the bolt and washer. From under the vehicle, you will use the backup plate and nut. Place the backup plate with the flat side to the vehicle. Bolt down to 37 foot-pounds of torque. Step 6. Mount the pedestal base and seat to the floor plate. Notice that the floor plate already has 5 welded nuts to mount the pedestal seat in place. This means you can easily remove each seat from inside the vehicle when needed. Place the pedestal base on top of the floor plate. Notice that the pedestal base has 3 mounting positions to slightly shift the mounted seat forward or backward. Secure down by using 5 bolts, 5 washers, and 5 lock washers per base/seat. Important: hand tighten bolts first. Then torque each bolt to 26 foot-pounds of torque. The rear mounting points take 3 bolts. Each bolt takes 1 washer and 1 lock washer. The front mounting points take 2 bolts. Each bolt takes 1 washer and 1 lock washer. Your install is now complete. Make sure to read the written instructions in full before proceeding with the install.